Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the victorious, the marching column of Azerbaijan Army. Pakistana Khosh Kelmasiniz. Welcome to Pakistan, the contingent of Armed Forces of Azerbaijan. Yashazin Pakistan, Azerbaijan, Berlier, Kardashalaghe. Long live Pakistan, Azerbaijan, unity and brotherhood. An army that gained great victory in 44 days in the patriotic war of Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan army also carried out a successful 23 hours long anti-terrorist operation in the year 2023, which speaks of their professionalism and valor.
आज़रबाईजान की मुसल्लह अफवाज के इस दस्ते की क़यादत कैप्टन मोहम्मद साकीज़ादा कर रहे हैं। कैप्टन और खान इस्माइलोव आज़रबाईजान का कौमी अलम उठाए हुए हैं, जबकि बैंड की क़यादत कर्नल फारेज़ महमदज़ादे कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, enduring friendship between Pakistan and Azerbaijan stands as a beacon of stability and cooperation. Through diplomatic synergy and strategic collaboration, both nations pave the way for a brighter and more interconnected future.
पाकिस्तान और आज़रबाईजान के दरमियान बाकायदा सफारती ताल्लुकात का आगाज सन 1992 से हुआ। दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ दिफाई मुआहदों के तहत फौजी तरबियत और मशक़ें फ़रोग़ पा रही हैं।
अज़रबाईजान की अवामी मसहूर कुन कौमी धुन सुनखयेत पर मार्च करता हुआ अज़रबाईजान की मुसल्लह अफवाज का दस्ता।
Ladies and gentlemen, please witness the decorous Tri-Services contingent of People's Liberation Army of China. Chung Payoyi Yuan Sui का नारा लिए, जिसका मतलब है Long live China-Pakistan friendship. तैंतीस अफराद पर मुश्तमिल इस दस्ते का ताल्लुक पीपल्स लिबरेशन आर्मी ऑफ चाइना की गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर रेजिमेंट से है। This glorious contingent is led by Senior Colonel Cheng Chanmin. Pakistan was one of the first countries to recognize the People's Republic of China. Since 2015, the economic ties have formally been reckoned by the world as all-weather strategic cooperative partners.
Longevity, love, and trust aptly define Pakistan-China friendship. For Pakistan, relations with China form the cornerstone of our foreign policy. In China, Pakistan is described as Bati, which means China's iron brother. Pakistan is the earliest partner of President Xi Jinping's visionary Belt and Road Initiative. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, as the flagship of BRI, has infused renewed vitality into our socio-economic development in a short span of few years and has become a game changer for Pakistan and subsequently for the broader region. Long live Pakistan-China friendship.